Nice to meet you. My name is Lee Jung. The relationship between meditation, experience, motivation, and state perception on the multi-physical personality in chakra meditation experience people. Recently, people who want to experience the chakra meditation tend to force stability in health and make active effect to the resolve their health. This is because they believe that physical, emotional, and social health conditions affect mental health. In particular, chakra meditation is known to promote compassion, reality escape, self-exploration, self-love, and emotional stability. And it is known that physical, emotional, and social health are believed to affect health and subjective perception. Those who are compassionate have the proper self-love, which reflects on themselves to explore reality, thereby exhibiting emotional stability based on what they have realized. At this time, they show their perception of health and various personality types. However, research on the motivational aspect, health perception, and multi-personalities of those who have experienced chakra meditation, both domestically and abroad, has been very limited. Also, chakra meditation experience motivation was not analyzed in detail to look into the compassion, reality escape, self-exploration, self-love, narcissism, and emotional stability. And it was reported that chakra experience was beneficial to health. Many studies did not use authoritative measuring tools. Overall, it claims to be beneficial to mental health, but the claims were not verified by measuring multiple personality, and is not used measuring tools to classify mental health conditions by type to examine them in detail. Many previous studies attempted to validate the claim using a questionnaire. Although chakra meditation experience motivation was not analyzed in detail to look into compassion, reality escape, self-exploration, self-love, and emotional stability, and it was reported that chakra experience was beneficial to health. Many studies did not use appropriate measuring tools. Overall, it claims to be beneficial to mental health, but the claim were not refuted by measuring multiple personality, and did not use measuring tools to classify mental health conditions by type to examine them in detail. Many previous studies attempted to validate the claim using a questionnaire. There was also a limitation in that there was a lack of the scientifically standardized measurement tools. Therefore, this study aims to measure physical, emotional, social, and subjective health perception, measure compassion, reality, escape, self-exploration, self-love, emotional stability, and health perception to measure the motivation of people who have experienced chakra meditation. In addition, through the Minnesota Multifaceted Personality Inventory, MMPI-2, various aspects of the mental health are divided into depression, hysteria, physical fatigue, deviation, masculinity, femininity, paranoia, confusion, schizophrenia, hypermania, social introversion. It is believed that is the future chakra meditation will able to provide supported in consideration of the multifaceted personality of the participants when they are seeking compassion, reality escape, self-exploration, self-love, emotional stability, and physical, emotional, and social health. In addition, the aim of this study is to prepare great data for input, experimental and investigational research on the chakra meditation experience. The purpose of this study is to examine how health perception correlates with each of the sub-factors of multifaceted personality. This study was conducted from August 2018 to September 2010 for those who participated in the chakra meditation program operation in South of Korea. Finally, the data of total 223 participants were analyzed. The survey consisted of the chakra meditation experience motivation scale, the Minnesota Multifaceted Personality Inventory 2, and the Korean Health Status Measure. Data collected for this study were analyzed using the SPSS macro version as follows. The results were analyzed by SPSS macro program. The results of this study are as follows. Confessional has a positive correlation with PD, PA, PT. Escapism has a positive correlation with HS, D, HY, PD, PA, PT, SC, MA, SI. Self-efficacy has a positive correlation with PD, PT, SC, SI. Narcissism has a negative correlation with D, HY, MF, and a positive correlation with MA. Emotional stability has a positive correlation with HS, D, PD, PA, PT, SC, SI. Physical health has a negative correlation with HS, D, HY, PD, MF, PA, PT, SC, SI. Emotional health state has a negative correlation with HS, D, HY, PD, MF, PA, PT, SC, SI. Social health state has a negative correlation with HSD, MF, PT, SCSI. Subjective health state has a negative correlation with HSD, HY, PB, PT, SCSI. This suggests that the motivation of meditation and health of chakra meditation are related to various types of multifaceted personality. The suggestion follows of studies based on the result of this study are as follows. In the future, it is necessary to study samples with various demographic chakra characteristics. Thank you.